Good morning from Grand Pine Farm. It's August 2nd, 2025. It's about 10:20 in the morning. And I'm getting ready for our Italian Fest. Got the water on the lawn there one last time before everybody shows up. Anyway, we do an Italian Fest every year. That's for my wife's birthday. So we should have a lot of people over. Should be a fun time. It's 79 degrees right now, so it's already getting warm. I got the misters all set up in the patio area, so help cool us down. Still got to set up a few pop-ups for shade. So that's what we're doing today. I'm ready to get busy. I'll catch you later.